If you're looking to create audio content without limitations and you want an ultra powerful program that can help you to get the job done quickly, and you also want that program to be free, then Tracktion Waveform 12 Free is likely the program for you. It's available on Mac, Windows, and Linux, and I'm going to get into what's new with version 12 in just a bit. But if you're new to Tracktion Waveform Free, then let's just have a look at the overall program and what you're going to get with this. So first off, you're going to get unlimited tracks, and this is audio tracks, MIDI tracks, aux, buses, whatever. You can have unlimited tracks in Tracktion Waveform Free. You can just keep adding them, and adding them, as many as your computer can handle. And you can record onto as many of these tracks at the same time that your audio interface and your computer will allow you to record to. So that's also nice right there. Another great thing is that they don't limit you to just using the plugins that are included with it. You can also bring in any third-party plugins that you want. And this includes tons of free plugins that are available. If you're new to all of this, plugins are things like effects or instruments that you can bring into this program. So you can make this free DAW or DAW, digital audio workstation, whatever you want to call it. You can make it as powerful as you want by bringing in whatever plugins you want. Basically, Tracktion Waveform Free is the same core program as the Pro version. You can see I'm using the Pro version. I've been using the Pro version for quite a while, and the core program is exactly the same. The only difference with the Pro version is you get some added features and some added instruments, but not having any of those isn't going to limit your creative process at all. Those are just kind of nice to have additions. But Tracktion Waveform 12 Free does include some instruments to get you started. So you have things in here like the 4OSC synth. And this is a very powerful synth. It may not look like much, but you have tons of presets and sounds in here for basses, leads, all different types of sounds. Now, another instrument that you can get in here is the micro drum sampler. And like the name suggests, it's just a little drum sampler, but it does include a couple of presets. You have an 808, a 909, and you can also use it as a metronome if you want. And then you also get this Rompler plugin here. And this instrument just works off of presets. You can see we have things like electric guitar in there. You have acoustic warm guitar, bass, clean, bass direct, church organ. There's lots of different sounds that you can get in here. So that's the Rompler instrument, and there's one more instrument that you get with this free version. We'll have a look at that right now, and that's this micro sampler. So with this, you can kind of create your own instruments by using samples that you might bring in that you've recorded, or maybe you found them on the internet. For a free DAW, that's actually quite a few powerful instrument plugins that you get with it. And another cool thing that they let you do is use your computer keyboard as a MIDI keyboard. So you would just press that button there and it says press caps lock on your computer keyboard. We've done that. And then you could just use your computer keyboard to control whatever instrument you have loaded up. So that's a nice touch right there. And of course you can connect your MIDI controllers if you have one or you plan on getting one. That's not a problem in here. But if you don't want to record MIDI at all, but you still want to work with MIDI, you can draw the MIDI notes in by using a MIDI clip. And then you just double click and you can see we have a piano roll here, and we could just draw our notes in however we want. Move them around. Very powerful piano roll tool here. Now, maybe working with a piano roll isn't your thing either, but you want to make some beats. What we can do is bring in a step clip. So we'll go to step clip, double click on it. And this is like a step sequencer. So you can see we have bass drums. So we could draw one in there, maybe draw them in like this. however you want to draw them in. You have hand claps, you can do whatever you want. It's super easy to access this step clip. Now, the workflow of Tracktion Waveform is where the program really shines because it puts everything onto the one page. So you have your mixer, that's over here. You have your tracks over here. So this is where you'll be recording, and you can move the clips all around in this area here to create your music or whatever it is, podcast, whatever it is you're creating. You can easily move things around and edit them in here. You can make the tracks bigger if you want, and zoom in and out however you need to. And everything is on this one screen. Like you saw when we accessed the piano roll, that was on this one screen. There it is right there. We didn't need to switch screens. It doesn't take up your whole screen. If you want to access your mixer, everything's right here. So you can turn the volume up and down using the sliders over here. You have your panning control over here. You have mute and solo. This is your level meter right here. Everything you need from your mixer is all accessible right from this one screen. You don't need to flip to a mixer or console screen, anything like that. There is a mixer view. If you want, you can click up here and we can access the mixer view, and it takes up a little bit of the bottom of your screen. And it's just everything that you have access to over here, but it's laid out like a more traditional mixer, if that's something you like. Honestly, I make a lot of tracks in Tracktion Waveform, and I don't know if I ever use this view anymore. I did at the start because that's what I was used to, but now I just do everything from over the side here. Another cool thing about this mixer is that it's completely modular. So if we add a plugin over here, say we add this equalizer, we can have that before the fader, or we could have it after the fader. We can even add in another fader if we really wanted to add in another one for some reason. You could add that in there by going to Effects, and then we could scroll down here, Volume and Pan, and you can see we have another fader in there. We can put that at the end if we want to. Wherever we want to put things, we can do that. It's a completely modular mixer, which is kind of cool, and it allows you to do a lot of different things that you wouldn't normally get to do in a traditional mixer. Now, if you've used Tracktion Waveform free in the past, let's have a look at some of the new things that they're bringing into Waveform 12 free. And one of the big things is the audio engine has been completely reworked. So it's better on CPU usage and your RAM usage, things like that. It's not going to be as prone to crash, even though the version before I didn't find crash too much. But this new version is going to be a lot more solid. So you get that new audio engine that's going to have way better performance. Now, another thing that they've completely reworked is the browser system. So we'll open that up over here, and you can see in here, we can find our presets if we have any. You can find your samples, whatever it is you need to find. You can find that easy in here. You can search for it however you want. So that's this menu over here, but there's also other menus that have been changed, like adding plugins from over here. You click the plus sign, and this has been reworked so you can quickly search. So say there's a plugin that I know I want. I don't know, I'll just type in something here, see what I come up with. Console 4 bus, let's see. So there, I just quickly added a plugin just by searching for it. If you have a lot of plugins, you're going to find that very useful. So you can easily add them just by searching. It's a nice feature there. Also in Tracktion Waveform 12 free, they've completely reworked 15 of their internal plugins. So let's just have a look at the things you'll get in here. You go to Waveform, Effects, and you can see we have a bunch of equalizers in here: chorus, compressor, delay, DJ EQ, DJ filter, things like that. You're going to get 15 completely reworked effects plugins, which is nice. And this 8-band equalizer, I've been using this one quite a bit lately. It's super easy to dial in. It's got a nice user interface, and it's a great sounding transparent EQ. And of course, like I said earlier, if you don't want to use their internal plugins, or you just want to expand the program more, you can bring in any third-party plugins that you may have downloaded for free, or maybe you've paid for. That's fine. You can use those in here. It will work with 64-bit VST or VST3 plugins, no problem. You also get 6 new utility tools like A/B switch. There's mid-side control in here. You also have spectrum analyzer and some others, which is nice. So even more tools to work with your audio. Now, another big thing that they've added with Tracktion Waveform 12 free is the ability to purchase expansions. And this is going to add some of the features that you might be missing out from Waveform Pro, but you won't have to spend all the money to go to Waveform Pro for a bunch of features that you may not use. So you're just going to be getting specific features that you know you are going to be used. And right now there are 3 expansions, and it sounds like they're going to be adding more. Tracktion Waveform 12 free can be used for recording bands, individual artists, electronic music like beat making and hip hop, that sort of thing. You can do that in here. You can use it in live settings. You can use it to record and edit podcast or post audio production for film. Whatever it is you need to do with audio, you can do that in Tracktion Waveform free. Now, if you want to quickly get started with Tracktion Waveform, maybe create your first song, click the video on the screen for a beginner's guide. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you really like this video, you can give a super thanks by clicking down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos on Tracktion Waveform. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.